my name is Mayurika Agrawal. Before joining this, I have been running my own business. I chose this course to upskill myself as I wanted to. Actually, I've been running my own business, so I wanted to take my business online. So, to learn the most skills about how to take business online, I needed digital marketing skills. So, I joined this course, and this course has been very amazing in helping me in running my business. I also took in a freelance project with the help of this course, and I was very successful in conducting that project because of the skills that I have acquired during the course. The trainers have been very helpful throughout the program. Uh, any like even the query session and everything, it was amazing. They also provide you the advanced classes on multiple uh, courses, so it has been amazing.